In this question, we're asked to solve 3x squared plus 4x minus 18 equals 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Pause the video and have a go at the question, and then come back and watch the rest of the solution. Now, what I'm going to do before I show you the solution is talk you through some of the misconceptions. What people will try and do to try and solve this is start looking to put it into 2 brackets and then put that equal to 0 and get some sort of something x. So let's just say 3x and then x here, and let's just say minus 9 and plus 2 there, something like that. Now, in some respects, that's quite a nice answer because 3x times by x would give me the 3x squared, and then minus 9 times by plus 2 would give me the minus 18. However, this combination does not make the plus 4x that we would get. Now, there's a huge hint that this question is telling you. It's telling you to give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. If it is ever asking you to do that, you'll use something called the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is given in some exam boards, like GCSE, it is given in, but in other exam boards, they sometimes don't keep it in. However, in the summer of 2022 exams, when I'm writing this, they have actually given it to you. Now, if I go to the quadratic formula, if I go to the second page, it will tell you that it is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so going to my solution here then, this is how I do it. So I'm going to look at what my quadratic is here, and I'm going to take a to be the value in front of the x squared. I'm going to take b to be the value in front of the x, and I'm going to take c to be the value in front of the well, there's no x's, the number term. Okay, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and then c is equal to minus 18. And that, again, is a really common misconception. People don't realise that the sign is important. Plus 4, you can just write as 4, but the minus 18 has to have that minus. You can see when I've highlighted that I've made sure I've included the signs for both of those ones there. So the quadratic formula, we're going to change to brackets, and if you use this method, you cannot go wrong. So when you then go and stick these values into your formula, we've got minus b, so that's going to be minus brackets 4, close brackets, plus or minus the square root of, and then 4 squared minus 4ac, so 3 and minus 18 all over 2a. So that goes into your calculator, and you'll get the following answers. X equals 1.87 to 2 decimal places. That was when I included the plus sign there. And then the other answer you'll get is x equals, and when I use the minus sign here, so this one here, I get minus 3.21 to 2 decimal places.